Dear students, good morning. How are you? I think you will safe at home, and we are also safe by the grace of God. At first, I want to tell you, now you are in class 8, and according to class 8, your chapter of grammar will be determiners, tense. So you have already studied the tense form, modals, non-finite verbs. This is very important one. Adverbs, conditionals, prepositions, words followed by prepositions, conjunctions, the phrase and the clause, simple, complex and compound sentences, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, synonyms and antonyms, and many more. These are the basics to form a sentence. So it is essential for all of us have to maintain in all circumstances the video classes because it will help you more and more whenever you will form the sentence and you will make the language. So I mean to say, don't waste your time and read it again and again. Concentrate on it again and again. And after that, a problem and question will be raised in front of you in your brain. And you will ask that problem without any hesitation. So let us start the topic determiners in details, and we shall try to understand the form of determiner and how it will work and where you can use determiners in the sentence. We have to read today. So firstly, we have to understand, we have to know the definition of determiner. So whenever you will be in the chapter of determiner, always you will have to focus on the definition because it will help more and more of class 8. So how you will describe determiners? So answer will be a word that gives a specific identity. A specific identity. A specific identity to a noun, is said to be determiner, is said to be a determiner. Okay, said to be a determiner. Understand? So always by the help of definition of determiners, you will have to understand the form of determiners and how you will use determiner in the sentence. It is must for you. So a word that gives a specific identity to a noun, किसी noun का specific identity जो वर्ड देता है उस वर्ड को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? डिटरमाइनर्स कहते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? थ्रू एग्जाम्पल वी शैल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड the form of determiners and how it gives a specific identity to a noun. It is very, very important. So, through examples, through phrase, we will have to understand, we shall have to analyze about determiners. Just like example, I am writing here, the best cricketer, the best cricketer. Okay, next one, my sister this book every child some problem. The best cricketer, my sister, this book, every child, some problems. Mark my point and listen to me carefully. The definition is written by me on the board. Determiner gives a specific identity to a noun. किसी noun का specific identities जब हमें कोई word देता है तो उस वर्ड को डिटरमाइनर्स कहते हैं. किसका? नाउन का. अब हम बोल रहे हैं नाउन, आप सोचोगे प्रनाउन, आप सोचोगे कुछ और, तो दिक्कत हो जाएगा. नाउन तो नाउन, सीधा बात है. अंडरस्टैंड? तो आइए अब थ्रू एग्जांपल देखते हैं कि हमने क्या क्या लिखा है. क्रिकेटर ये नाउन है या नहीं है? हैं? सिस्टर नाउन है, बुक नाउन है, चाइल्ड नाउन है, प्रॉब्लम्स नाउन है. अब इस सब के पहले एक वर्ड आया है और वह वर्ड है प्रॉब्लम के पहले सम, चाइल्ड के पहले एवरी, बुक के पहले दिस, सिस्टर के पहले माई, क्रिकेटर के पहले द बेस्ट. ओके, सो दीज आर डिटरमाइनर्स. These are determiners. Understand? This, my sister, okay, some, every, and many more. These are the forms of determiners because it is used before noun and it tells us something, it tells some specific identity about noun. These are the main factors. Okay, so through that criteria we shall try to imagine and understand determiners. Okay, now some phrase I will write here, and through that concept and through that tricks we shall able to understand properly. Just like I am writing here the second one, complicated matter. Complicated matter. And number 2, this matter. number 1 complicated matter, number 2 this matter. This is the first expression, this is the second expression. And first expression, the word complicated, mark my point, very very important. In first expression, the word complicated describes the noun. This is the noun, matter is noun. Understand? Complicated is describing the noun. Understand? So, describing words are adjectives. This is not models. Because you know the definition of adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Okay? Adjectives are describing word, and describing word is noun. Okay? So matter is noun here, and complicated is describing to matter, so you can't tell this is determiners. Understand my point of view? And number 2, this matter, and matter is noun. Okay? And before noun the word is coming this. This is the second expression. Okay? And this is not describing the word matter. Okay? This THIS, this is not describing the word noun, that means matter. Understand? So, it will be determiners. Understand? And here it will be adjectives, because this is the describing words. Understand? This is the describing word, so you can tell describing word, and this it describes noun. So noun को कौन describe करता है? Adjectives describe करता है. Understand? So it is adjectives, but here this is not describing the noun here. So in this circumstances, this will be determiners. Now, any doubt, any problems? I think no any problem. With that criteria, whenever you will analyze the word, then it will be more easy, and you can understand easily the facts of the sentence. Clear? And some difference which shall write on the board, and through difference you will able to understand, and the particular difference will be about adjectives and determiners. Understand? So यहाँ तक तो आपको हमारे हिसाब से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम होना भी नहीं चाहिए। अगर बातों को आपने ध्यान से देखा और ध्यान से पढ़ा, ध्यान से सुना, तो हमारे हिसाब से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है। फिर भी प्रॉब्लम होगा तो फिर हम लोग देख लेंगे उस प्रॉब्लम को। आगे थोड़ा बढ़ते हैं। Adjectives. This is adjectives, and this is determiners. Clear? Number 1, it describes a noun. It describes a noun. Okay? It describes a noun. It determines a noun. ये डिस्क्राइब्स करेगा, ये डिटरमाइंस करेगा। अंडरस्टैंड? नंबर 2, एडजेक्टिव्स, what kind and how many. This is the second point. What kind, understand, and how many, and how many. And second point, it tells which noun. It tells which noun. These are the marvelous points you will have to keep in your brain. After that, you will find a lot of relaxation in the chapter, in the lesson determiners, and you can decide very easily the part of adjectives and determiner where the word is working as a determiner, and the second thing, the word is working as an adjective. So the first point, it describes a noun in the sentence, and here it determines a noun in the sentence. It tells which noun, what kind, and how many. Okay? It tells some special quality of a noun. It tells, आप ऐड कर लो, it tells what a special quality of a noun. What a special quality of a noun. मिटा के लिख देता हूँ. Number 2, it tells a special quality of a noun. What kind and how many, like that. What kind and how many. Understand? What kind and how many. These are the notes, these are the properties of adjectives. Whenever it describes a noun, it will tell something about noun. It gives the special quality of a noun, and you can understand these are the adjectives through that criteria. And number 2 point, it tells which noun. So very simple. Whenever you will judge and you shall create the difference between adjectives and determiners, and these 2 points will help you more and more. But when it will help you, whenever you will concentrate, you will watch the video, you will think about the teacher's speech, what the teacher wants to tell, and which kind of information this is. After that, you will able to understand, and you will know the facts about determiners. Understand? So I mean to say you will have to follow it, because this is important class, and I think you will have no any problem after watching the videos, because each and everything is explained by me, and you will have to read and you will have to watch the videos and these topics will be very easy, otherwise you will feel a lot of problem. Understand? Okay, thanks.